How would you explain this concept of reusable architecture?
For us, it's about a building system that can be reconfigured to create another space. So how do you create a structure? How do you design and fabricate a structure which will do its job in situ for a 6-week Olympic and Paralympic run or 5-10 years in location, but also there will be value in that asset. One of the buildings we've done recently is the ABBA Voyage. We designed and fabricated that with Stu Fish, the architects, as lead contractor to be relocated. But if you've been to ABBA Voyage, once you walk into the theatre space, it's like a permanent, very, very high quality theatre space. Doesn't feel temporary at all. That's because it's fully relocatable, but it also means it can work for as long as the client, ABBA, want it to work for that show, and as long as the local authority wants to give permission for that piece of land to use. So they've invested in an asset, and that's quite a good way of explaining how we work. Whoever, whether it's us with our stages and we're renting those to a client, or whether it's a client who's buying a building from us, they've invested in that asset, which then can have a future life, can continue on site because it's working to a permanent building requirement, but also could be relocated. So for a meanwhile use project like ABBA, particularly in urban locations, it can work really, really well.